Hi, my name is Shikha Sharma and I work as a senior software engineer. I specialize in testing augmented and virtual reality applications. The Hexaware value that I relate to the most is put people first. I try to help people to grow and learn in day-to-day life. I've seen Hexaware do the same for their employees. The company fosters a culture of innovation and continuous learning through its Sonic Learning program. This has helped me in a professional development as I've had the opportunity to collaborate with talented teams and engage with the cutting-edge technology. My favorite dish is always Rajma Chawal because it reminds me of my childhood.